Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane forklift parts along with propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in the TCM. The model numbers covers is the FG20, 23, 25, 28, the N6, the N3-4-5-6, and also the FCG20T. Now this has the Nissan H20 engine in it. It has the 4-bolt intake, and we're going to show you the two different styles we carry. It's the KC kit, which is for complete, which is for a gasoline truck, whereas you need everything from the tank brackets to the carburetor. And then we'll show you the KP kit, which is for under the hood, just freshen it up, a new system, and then we'll go ahead and show you what's in that. All right, now this is showing the kit complete up here. It'll come with your tank brackets, all your toggle clamps, your locating pin, all your hardware for that. It'll come with your water hose, your vacuum hose, your vapor hose, your high pressure LPG hose. It comes with your regulator assembly with your lock off, all the hardware for that, the bracket for mounting that, the fittings for mounting in for your water, pipe Teflon. You'll get your hose clamps, your hardware to mount the regulator bracket. You'll get your connections to the tank, and then also your bulkhead assembly to mount to your counterweight with tie straps. Now obviously the most crucial part of this kit is the carburetor, okay? Now this is got your linkage all done for you with your cable bracket. It has your 4-bolt intake that matches what you have on that. It'll come with your fittings, your advanced vacuum, your fitting for the fuel inlet, and that's basically what will come with the KC. Now with the partial, obviously you'll still get the carburetor. You just won't get your tank brackets, nor your latches or locating pin or hardware for that. You will not get the connection for the tank or your bulkhead that's already existing on the truck. So that's basically what comes in that style kit. Okay, that shows you both style kits that we sell for the TCM. If you're interested in purchasing them kits from us, you can go to our website at pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helps out, and have a wonderful day.